Hello, welcome back to Mr. Weed and Maths. Today we are going to be working on some indices. So we're going to start off with these three things here. I'm just going to remind you what this means. We are looking at powers. Now they are often little numbers above what we call a base number. This one says 4 to the power of 5. Now what that really means is 4 multiplied by itself 5 times. So we would write it like this. Number 4 and number 5. Okay, so that's what it means, a little power. Then moving on to 3 to the power of 4. This is 3 times itself 4 times. And then finally, you can have it with algebra as well. X is what we call a variable. It means it can stand for anything. And that is being multiplied by itself 6 times. Remember your curly X's in algebra, so it doesn't look the same as a multiplication. Right, there we go. Now, we don't want to write this every single time when it comes to multiplication of indices, okay, and what it can result in. So this is what it means, but we don't actually want to write that every time because that's just going to be chaotic, and you're going to see why in a second. So I'm just going to rub these out, but bear in mind this is what the power means. And then let's look at a question. So for example, if I had that one we had earlier, 4 to the power of 5 multiplied by 4 to the power of 6. Well, I don't want to write out 4 5 times here and 4 6 times here. Actually, we can just think how many of those 4s would we be writing? And that's what the power would be, because we would combine it together. There would be 5 of them here, 6 of them here, and so we can just add the indices. So we get 4 to the power of 11. Just add the indices, okay? On to the next question. Let's say I had 7 by itself, multiplied by 7 to the power of 8. Okay, so on this one, the invisible power, when you have a number by itself, is 1, because there's one of them. It's just a 7. And then there are 8 here. So what's the total amount of 7s that are being multiplied together? Well, it will be 9. Okay, then the next one, we have y to the power of 4 multiplied by, not the 4, sorry, did I say 4? I meant 8. I meant y to the power of 4 here. There we go. And then we've got the same thing. I've got 8 y's, I've got 4 y's. I'm going to add the powers to have 12 y's altogether. Final one is, what if we had some letters? I've got 9 to the power of m, and I've got 9 to the power of n. So here, you do the same thing. You add the powers, but we write this algebraically. So what is m plus n? Well, we don't know. We don't know what it could be, so we just write it. So we have 9 to the power of n plus n. And that's it. Right, make sure to find some questions multiplying powers so you can practice it at home. All the best. Keep it going. Bye.